Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change domain in Bluesky. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to the Bluesky dashboard. You can do it through the application or the website for Bluesky. After logging in using your user credentials, you will see this page where you will have to simply click on settings button at the bottom of the screen. Now you'll have to simply scroll down and navigate to advanced section. Here you have two options, app password and change handle. Simply click on the change handle button and here you can easily enter your full handle that will be at bsky.social. Now if you have your own domain, you can click on I have my own domain button at the bottom. Now you'll be able to add the domain that you want to use in this section. Now if you have a DNS provider that you're using, you can simply choose DNS panel and the host type and value will be available here. You can simply copy this host type and value from this, navigate back to your DNS provider, paste these attributes in your DNS section and navigate back here, enter the domain that you want to use in this section, click on verify DNS record and you would have successfully added and changed your domain on Bluesky. Now, if you don't have a DNS panel, choose no DNS panel, enter the domain that you want to use, click on verify text file and you can easily change your handle by doing this. So that is the way to change domain on Bluesky. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.